Hey there, hope you're doing great today. So I just recently got the new AirPods 2 and I decided to get the Catalyst waterproof case for it. So in this video, we're gonna be testing it out and reviewing it to see if it's actually waterproof like it claims. Let's go. Alright, so I got the Catalyst case for the Apple AirPods. It claims that it's IP67 rated, that it's waterproof, and that it's drop proof. So we're going to be doing a test today on this Catalyst case to see how good it actually is. And remember, there's going to be links down below in the description for all the information in this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and place it on the AirPods. So that's what the Catalyst case looks like. Comes with this little manual with information here, instructions, can't be that difficult, and it comes with this little clip right here. So this is the case right here. This is the Catalyst case. So all you pretty much have to do is just squeeze your AirPods in there like that, and it is going to have a little button back here for the connect button, and then this clip, you just go ahead and place it right here, and there we go, you are ready to go. And then down here it has a cover for the charger port. So when you need to charge it, you kind of just need to lift this up and you can go ahead and connect it. And when you're done charging, just go ahead and close that back up. And it's like a rubber seal there, so it locks into there so that water won't go in there. Also, when you want to just carry around your AirPods on a daily basis and you don't want to have to be, having trouble pulling this out, what you do is you just kind of swirl the top portion down like this and you leave the top part open. So that way you have easy access to open and close your AirPods. Alright, so now that we have it ready, let's go to the pool. Alright everyone, so here is the AirPods with the Catalyst case. Let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so I've thrown it in the water now a few times, and as you can see, I'm putting it underwater. So there's really no better water test than this, than just throwing it straight completely into the water and seeing if the case actually protects the water from going inside the Apple AirPods. Alright, so I'm gonna wet it a couple more times and then we're gonna take it back up and test it to see if they're still working fine. And as you can see, you might be able to see it there on the camera. There's water trying to get into the AirPods inside the case. I don't know if it got in there or not. It might have, because I see it's dripping more than normal. Hopefully the case did its job and did protect them, because if not, then it wouldn't really be waterproof. So we'll see. Alright, so here we have it. Let's go ahead and see if water went in this case or not. Let's go ahead and open it up here. I do see some water inside the case, so it definitely looks like water went in there. Let's go ahead and remove the case completely though. Oh, it is lighting up though, that's a good sign. Little green dot right there is lighting up. And for the most part, the case does feel dry inside. Like I said, there were some drops of water over here on the top of the case towards the line here where it opens up. There was even drops of water around here as well. So in here though, it does not look like any water went inside the actual AirPods in here though. Down here at the charger port, it doesn't look like there's water in there either. So other than it having a few drops of water here, it does look pretty good. I mean, it's lighting up. That's the most important thing. So let's go ahead and test them out now with the iPhone. All right, so there you go. They're on, and I already hear sound. Let's go ahead and play something here. Let's play some music. Yep, they sound crisp and clear. That one works. This one works too. The sensor works. When I remove it from the ear, the music stops. Let's go ahead and there you go. You can see that you can still sound it out. You can hear it. So there you go. You can see, you can hear it, that they are still working perfectly fine. So this little guy, the Catalyst case, definitely did its job. I was a little bit worried. I don't know if it was actually going to be waterproof or not. I thought maybe some water would get in there, but no, surprisingly. I guess the little rubber lines that it has in here, since they wrap around the AirPod case and it's rubber, it doesn't allow water to go in through there. So it definitely does protect it against water. Now, the one thing I can't guarantee though is this is rubber, and as we all know, over time rubber gets soft and it won't be as tight anymore. So once it starts loosening up, it might not protect your AirPods case as much because it's not going to be as tight and wrapped around it over time. But we'll see how durable the material on this is and how long it will last. But as for now, it definitely did do its job. So great job, Catalyst, for making this waterproof case. And there's going to be a link down below in the description if you want to get this case for your Apple AirPods. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.